Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be building the bird cage that I've been talking about that we were going to build, and it got postponed like a lot, so yeah, let's go. Alright, so we've got the mahogany started, we're cutting it, we gotta make it smooth, because it's not smooth right now. Danger.
And now for a cuteness break.
I have the weirdest dog ever. You are such a creep. Coco, do you know how creepy you are? Just chilling.
Want to see our new pets?
And it's back to work we go, pals.
And because I keep telling you that it'll be much bigger than my old one, you want to see the size comparison? Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will have a new video decorating my cage coming out very soon. I also have another video on a bird rescue that I did. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. Anyway, thanks and goodbye.